Well, Dan, at 12:01 a.m. this morning, voter-approved Proposition 64 went into effect, legalizing marijuana for recreational use. And while the passage was expected, the regulation of its use still has law enforcement in a haze.
I'm sure that what will happen is that the Board of Supervisors will be giving careful consideration as to how we best implement Prop 64 and take a look at our current ordinances and seeing if they need any adjustments.
The measure only allows non-medical marijuana to be sold by state licensed businesses, and it gives the state until January 1st of next year to begin issuing licenses for recreational retailers. It also prohibits medical marijuana dispensaries from converting to recreational sales shops.
Prop 64 very clearly says that the state licenses are going to be different for medical dispensaries versus recreational, and I anticipate that the county ordinances will follow suit.
Prop 64 allows for possession of about an ounce, or if growing, up to 6 plants. Here's what remains illegal. Public consumption is banned, so no smoking weed on the street or in a bar. And don't think about doing it while in a vehicle either. Law enforcement didn't expect it to go into effect so quickly.
If we have to take enforcement action, it'll be citations in the field. We're meeting with our county attorneys as well as our district attorney to talk about some of these larger scale cases that our teams run into.
In Watsonville, cultivators anticipating the passage of Proposition 64 began gobbling up warehouses to cultivate pot. The city has set a limit to 6, but greenhouses that once grew flowers are being converted to grow pot. Chuck Allen of Chuck Allen Properties does industrial and real estate work in the Pajaro Valley.
Monterey County has a lot of greenhouses at microclimate down south of Salinas. And the cut flower families that have had a tough time in the market after the imports, it's given them a whole new exit strategy, exit opportunity. And so it's been a blessing actually for families.
Allen also says it's important to note that new greenhouses are not allowed to be built, but they do allow remodeling of existing structures. Dan?
All right, thank you very much, Phil. There were 5 states considering similar propositions. Last night, Nevada and Massachusetts also fully legalized recreational marijuana. By the way, here in California, it will still be illegal to smoke marijuana in public places.